Good Tuesday morning, trading family. So what do we got on deck today? Guys, I just do not feel good. I don't know if I'm going to be live today or not, but so we got exactly what we were looking for yesterday. All right, the Bears brought it right back down. All right, if you watch that pre-market from yesterday, we said the Bears would want to bring it right back down to here, and that's exactly where they brought it down to. So what do we have as far as news? All right, this is the things you guys got to all put together, okay? You got to be able to look at this kind of stuff and determine what could possibly move the markets, right? So what do we have today? We got balance of trade at 8:30, all right? It'll move it somewhat, but what we're waiting on, we got retails, let's see. On Thursday, initial jobless claims, okay? That's going to be the big one for the week. And then Thursday, Friday, right? So the way everything's looking, right, nothing's really been looking that good. The last economic data that came out was strong, which in sense the Feds would most likely raise interest rates even higher. So what are we going to want to see? We're going to want to see them bring this right back to the upside, okay? Why? Because they don't want to sell low. They want to sell high, right? Think like smart money. So where would we be looking for this to go? All right, we have this trend line over here. All right, they're going to want to bring it right back up to the highs, okay, of December 1st. All right, they're going to try. All right, so the balance is we still have this gap to fill above us, okay? We are imbalanced in the markets. We have a huge gap to fill below us, a huge gap to fill above us. They're going to want to fill the gap above us first, right? It makes more sense. They're not going to want to dump a lot of shares down here, okay? In fact, they probably have been buying this, right, to sell it right back up, okay? So our first profit target area today is going to be the 38.2% fib, which is right where we have our overhead resistance, and then the 50%. So we're looking for 11,880, 11,920, and then right back up to 12,000, okay? Once we get there, remember, it's not just, it could just go straight up. They could just rip this thing, right? We don't know, but we want to anticipate the pullbacks, okay? Anticipate those pullbacks. Let's look for that Elliott wave pattern on the way up, okay? If we get it, all right, if we get it, we're going to play it, okay? If we get it, we're going to play it. 1, 2. We're looking for 3, 4, okay? And then we're looking for that fifth one, and then ride this back down. All right, so that's the game plan for today. All right, the market is going to be looking like it's going to be 100% net long at the open. So they're probably going to want to pull it back, but I wouldn't anticipate a big pullback. Maybe a small one. If anything, trap in some of those bears, and then we get higher. All right, use caution around this 11,800, 11,900 area, depending on where we fall on that trend line, okay? Very important. All right, guys, I'll possibly see you at 8:30. I'm not sure yet.